Darrell. Welcome to Tameron Honda. My name is Julius. I'll be your pilot specialist, assisting you on your pilot search. Now, this is 2018 Pilot, modern steel metallic, or affectionately called dark gray. It's a beautiful vehicle. It's going to give you LED headlights, fog lights, puddle lights, breakaway mirrors. It's going to give you Honda lane watch. It's going to give you a sunroof, leather, 3 rows of seating. That's what kind of separates the Pilot from the rest. Hey, it's tops in this class. There's just so many categories. I just don't have enough time to go over everything. Darrell, thank you so much for your interest. I'm Julius. Give me a call, 205-835-7435. And at Tameron Honda, we guarantee you'll love the way you treat it.